In our oral cavity, we have two sets of teeth. The upper teeth, known as the maxillary teeth, and the lower teeth, known as the mandibular teeth, both representing the maxilla, the upper sets of bones, and the mandible representing the lower jaw respectively. So humans have four types of teeth. These include incisors, canines, premolars, and the molars. The incisors are the frontmost and hence the most visible teeth during smiling or eating. They are further divided into central and lateral incisors. The canines are the longest teeth in the mouth, basically used for tearing of meat and other hard, chewy stuff. These are basically developed in carnivores. Then we have the premolars and the molars, which are the posterior teeth used mainly for cutting and grinding of food. The entire set of teeth, including the upper and the lower teeth, is known as a dentition. The period occupied by these teeth are referred to as dentition periods, and there are three dentition periods in human beings. Let me explain this concept about various dentition periods even further. So the first tooth that emerges into the oral cavity in a toddler is the primary lower central incisor at the age of around 8 to 9 months. This marks the beginning of the primary dentition or the primary dentition period, which continues until the child is 6 years old. During this period, new teeth are continuously being erupted into the oral cavity. The teeth that erupt during this period are called primary teeth or deciduous teeth. Humans have in total of 20 deciduous teeth, including 8 incisors, 4 canines, and 8 molars, but no premolars. There are no deciduous premolars, and hence premolars are absent during deciduous dentition period.